throughout like modern software development, more people building more tools is only a good thing for software developers. And I know sometimes that comes off as like a throwaway, but it's true. I don't use the same coding editor that I used when I started. Things change, things evolve, and that gets us to a better place where I'm able to write better code, or I get to solve problems I couldn't solve before. And I think, every time we're able to like open up more or allow for more integration or partner with other companies and teams to integrate, their products in or push them to continue to open and integrate, it's only a net positive for software devs. And so when we say, GitHub's the home for all developers, there's something really meaningful to that in what could just be a throwaway tagline. Yeah. It's that to be the home, you have to invite everyone in. And there's moments in discussions and strategy where that's scary, right? Where, you realize, well, if we do that, then ultimately we're allowing for folks to actually have developer choice, something we care about, but it can be scary when you're running a product business, At the end of the day, it drives us to, figure out, okay, well, who exactly are we trying to serve? How can we make that better? Mm-hmm. And how do we make it so that you're choosing to use our tool? Not that you have to use the tool because, it was purchased or like, whatever. Like developer first means when your employer buys GitHub, you, the developer, have to love to use GitHub, not just the person who made the decision to buy it, And so when there's other, IDEs, other AI tools, other coding agents, that's all fine because, ultimately, as we've done many, many times now, we create APIs and we, let you use your data how you'd like. We let you, you're going to use whatever observability tool, CI tool, et cetera. Yeah. And, slowly but surely, that will continue to be the way we kind of write the next chapter of GitHub. We figure it out and we open it up, and developers will always choose. And fighting that is a losing battle because then, there's moments where you are the only tool, you're the best tool, you're the tool du jour, but you have to let, devs will have to choose. I don't want anyone telling me what terminal to use or what IDE to use, what computer to use, what operating system to use. Like there's different reasons for different people. And that's, I think, what makes our, kind of career so unique.